Well, hey there, people. Are you guys getting tired of Weed Creek? I'm not. I'm actually missing it big time. I got some footage from before. We're still stuck at the -40s, so like I'm jonesing. I really want to go out in the creek right now, but I don't want to freeze my balls off. And yeah, it's supposed to warm up in the next few days. So by what are we today? We're Saturday. By Tuesday it should be -12, -13. So that'll be romp worthy. Anyway, people, enjoy. Looks like we had a tiny bit of a landslide. Maybe there's gold in them hills, eh? Would have been nice to see. Must happen often, eh? Look how steep. So the creek, it just gets better and better. Like, it's all like water. The water froze over. Now it's snowing, so it's like icy snow. Anyway, I made my way here to the Thorsby Hotel. We're gonna go in for a coffee, warm up a little bit, and carry on. Well, anyway, it's like 2:30 in the morning. I just have to. Fresh. Been out today. I want to go out more. We'll do it stealth mode. Nobody hears me on the creek. Holy crap! What a difference from my earlier romp. It was like plus something out. Now it dropped down to -30, and we're getting a snowstorm. It's due, like I said, it's 2 a.m. We're gonna go create some trouble, I guess, on the creek.
Here we go down. Oh, I know you do. And you rip me apart. Wasn't very hard. You tore my heart while it was beating. You laid it on the table.
So what did you guys think of those tunes? Not too bad, eh? It's a band called Knowledge of Proportions. Mike is the lead singer. Him and his brother started the band. Anyway, Mike and I, we go way back, YouTube wise. He used to do videos, he used to do Storage Wars stuff. He sent me a couple like finds that he found in the Storage Wars. He sent me this kick-ass skull ring. I'll show you guys in a bit. Anyway, yeah, he sent me a CD to check out. I'm really impressed. They spend a lot of time. It's good quality. Check them out on YouTube. I'll leave the link down below. Good tunes, man. Check them out. So yeah, guys, go check these guys out. You won't regret it. Well, here's a little information on the album. Yeah. I don't know where I'm going to stick it, but I'm going to stick it. Very cool. Well, this here's the ring that Mike had sent to me a few years back. It's a little dirty now, but anyway, I had lost it. Like, it was missing for a good year. I was living in Edmonton at the time. Anyway, I had found it in my driveway. Like, it was just sitting by where I get in and out my truck, I guess, and there it was. So, lost and found. So I put it on the chain so I wouldn't lose it again. Anyway, I forgot to mention that Mike also has another YouTube channel, The Insane Chef. This guy is insane. You gotta check him out. I'll leave the link down below. He's a good guy. Anyway, people, big cheers. Thanks a lot for watching. I really do appreciate it. And we'll talk to you guys later.